What you doing with the flowers?
I get that out.
Are you pulling them off? Are you picking them?
Yeah.
No, no. No.
Yummy.
I don't think so. You spit it out? Good job. Good job. What happened to your stick?
It's there.
Uh-huh. What is it?
It's a butterfly's dead.
It's dead?
It's a butterfly. A butterfly in the water is dead.
Oh no.
There it is. It's orange. Black. We need to get guys. Yeah. We got a fishy.
Is that a fish? Okay, that's good. That's good.
It's a big one.
That's a big one.
I need to let it dry off.
You do?
Hey! That big fishy.
Alright, say bye to the fishy. What you doing, Adi? Talk to me.
Da, mu venim înapoi.
What you doing?
Tata, îți fac foc cu puiul.
Honey. Adi. What you doing?
Honey.
Uh-huh. Is it easy or hard?
It's easy.
Is it?
Venim, da, Lina a venit cu Dani. Nu a venit Alina cu Dani.
I'm sorry.
Ei amuși vin, ei s-au întors ca Lina.
Okay, this way, Adi.
Ei amuși vin.
Come on.
Vin și...
I have to get here.
Okay.
E ca și-o cu dus cu oa de la râu și-i fac. Amuși ei vin acolo și să aibă grijă de Tereza, tata să prindă foc. Și noi suntem la podul 2 și ne întorșim.
Uh-huh.
You have to go.
Is Alina coming?
N-a zi de mai frumoasă sau urâtă. Bondar! Dați din Bondar! Bondar?
I don't think she's not, Adi. I don't think she likes that. I don't think she likes the onion.
Hai, Adi, dai. Adi.
Dani? It's sharp. No, no. What is Timmy? Oh, Teresa.
Teresa, dragă.
Dani.
Gata.
What you doing, Dani?
Did I go climbing on the mountains?
We went in the valley today. When you're bigger. Sound good?
Like, can you climb the mountains?